Dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate this Holy Mass for the Jubilee year as we continue our pilgrimage as pilgrims of hope this holy year. Hope gives us a lot of graces. Kapag ka umasa o di kaya ay nanalig sa sinasabi nga nating habang buhay may pag-asa, nakikita po natin ang grasya ng saya, yung grasya ng paghihilom, yung mga grasya ng Diyos sa ating buhay. Hope makes us believe with graces. Hope journeys with us to see graces coming true. My dear brothers and sisters, our readings for today would wish to supply this beautiful message to us. Hope helps us to be decisive. And we also wish to say, hope makes us see decisive and even true moments. Tinutulungan tayong maging tiyak ng pag-asa. Tinutulungan tayong makakita ng katiyakan ng pag-asa. Jesus calls us to this decisive act in our life and in our relationship with Him. To mean yes, our yes. To mean no, our no. He saved us, He reconciled us, as St. Paul said in our first reading. Because of that one decisive act He did, He meant His yes to be yes. And that decisive act led Him to see and even to face our hope. Now our salvation, our peace, and our healing. Maganda po na gisingin natin ang ating mga puso sa biyaya ng pag-asa na tinutulungan tayong maging tiyak at makakita ng mga tiyak na bagay sa buhay na ito. Hope helps us aim our goal. Hope wishes us to see decisive and eventually true experiences in life. Hope empowers us during those moments when it is difficult to say yes and even to say no. Pinapalakas ng pag-asa ang ating kapasahan. Hope gives us that force to mean and live our life. There will be times that saying yes or no is hard. There are even moments when the future and what lies ahead may seem to be absurd or unsure. But let hope help us. Let hope teach us to say yes and even sometimes mean our no. Let hope teach us and give us eyes to see and come face to face with true moments, with grace we all long for.